Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming your audio interface is active in Logic Pro X preferences, because monitoring depends on the correct device. Next, open or create a project and add an audio track assigned to the input you want to hear. Make sure that track is record-ready so Logic knows which channel to route. Once done, double-check buffer and sample rate settings and preferences to avoid latency. These influence how monitoring feels, so set them appropriately before enabling monitoring. Now enable input monitoring. Click the small I button on the track's channel strip so you hear live input. You'll notice delay if buffer is high. If that happens, toggle low latency mode in the transport bar and lower the I/O buffer size in preferences. Also, be mindful of plugin delay. Use monitoring-compatible plugins or disable heavy effects while tracking. Make sure the track's input channel still matches your interface, and monitor through headphones to prevent feedback into the mic. Finish by confirming software monitoring remains active and that your interface's direct monitoring isn't conflicting. Some interfaces mute DAW output when direct monitoring is enabled. If you still experience latency, reduce the buffer size or switch to the interface's direct monitoring for zero latency monitoring. If you get no sound, check input gain, cables, and that the track's input is assigned correctly. A quick fix: mute other tracks and solo the monitored track to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.